A lens that is completely unknown to me comes as a huge surprise. All 1.8 lenses have a lot of slack to adjust the bokeh well, just like this lens. At 1.8, there is usually no desirable bokeh, everything is wiped out close by. At 2.8, the sharpness becomes really good, and you have a combination that gives quality. This M42 lens can get very close to a subject with the helicoid adapter, which I always appreciate very much. This way, beautiful shots can be made of very small objects. Great lens.